So this is the Interactive Kitchen 2.0, Whirlpool's concept this year at CES. It's a connected kitchen, and it's actually going to see me and display my personal information right up there. Cooktop and the backsplash are fully interactive. All I have to do is click on the recipe, and the recipe will come up in the back. What's nice, I don't have to sit my cell phone or my tablet next to the cooktop to like scroll through recipe or do social media or anything like that. I could have, right here, I have my email, social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything right at my fingertips. Here, I can just click on the side dishes menu, and an entire scrollable menu of the side dishes comes up. I can click to add that to the meal, and it pops up right there in the plan. To get a wine recommendation, you click on the pairings menu. You can scroll through these as well. Reviews look good, but it tells me right here it's out of stock in the connected cooler. Here, I can just scroll left and right, see everybody who's coming to dinner. It reminds me of their dietary restrictions, gives me their ETA, and even gives me their most recent social media posts. So perfect topic for dinner. And this is your typical setup. You get a large image on the backsplash showing you the step that you're on, and a large photo showing you simply what you're gonna do. There's also at the bottom there a cooking progress timeline that will show you first, second, third, exactly what to put on the stove so that everything comes out at the same time. It minimizes all the planning you have to do. So it'll even track the pot right where it's at, heat it up, and show you the exact temperature it's heating at. What's nice with sauces, it'll actually heat it to the perfect temperature and then bring it down so it won't boil over. And this is actually a Whirlpool Smart Vessel. This does all the thinking for you. Not only does it keep the food fresher longer, but if I put it down over here, it'll show me the exact weight of what's in this on a little indicator. It'll also keep track of the days of freshness each item of food has left, so no more wondering if the stuff in your cooler is good to eat or not. I'm going to start pouring those in, and it weighs exactly how much I have. I need a little more. Do I want to add Josh to the meal? Yes, I do. When I do that, I'll get an indicator up top telling me that I've added a guest, and it'll adjust the recipe, adding a 1/4 cup gluten-free noodles, everything I need to catch up with that extra mouth being fed.